Hey, welcome to Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com. Well, we got our M45 into the shop at top speed. Yeah, 2 miles an hour, not going too quick. But you know, we're thinking it's in limp home mode, that it has a problem. Not sure what it was. Got to check engine light, scanned it, come up with a slew of actual throttle body codes out here. Even a 17 code that talked a little bit about automatic transmission with throttle position sensors. So we thought we would start at least underneath the hood. And the first thing you want to do is a good visual inspection. Everything seems to be intact. Everything looks pretty good. So kind of another obvious clue is we got our master tech Josh. He hooked up a scan tool for us, and you can look at the scan tool right here. This is pretty cool. We were driving along, and Josh, go ahead and hit the throttle pedal. This is the accelerator pedal position sensor, and that's located in the car. So you can actually see that's fluctuating. And on the right side over there is the throttle position sensor, which is located out here. And we weren't getting any response from it whatsoever. So pretty much got a problem somewhere going on in the throttle body. Not sure where, Dave.
Well, John, since we were going about 2 miles an hour, I kind of figured it was at the throttle body, so I brought the schematics for us so we can check it out.
Yeah, smart man. Schematic is the way to go. You don't want to go poking and prodding on any of these computer cars. We say that time and time again.
There's so many electronics now, and it's not the way it used to be.
Super dangerous. And take a look at the schematic. This is pretty cool. So inside the car, and we'll talk about it later, we'll look at a nice demo setup after the commercial break on all these parts. But the accelerator pedal position sensors in the car sends a signal, and bam, there's 2 throttle position sensors. Redundant. Safety issues, man. I don't want this thing to run away. I want to make sure when I push the throttle, it's in the right place. Then over there, you have the actual throttle motor control on the left-hand side. You can see that running down. So Dave, I'm pretty sure we need to just go with the motor itself and see what's going on.
You got it. And the 2 motor ports there, number 5 and number 6. And as we look at this, that is the top 2.
Perfect.
Yep.
Well, you brought me a DVOM, so you're ahead of the game.
Yep.
We're in good shape. We'll get this fired up, and basically just, we can go ohms of resistance. That motor should have an actual specification. You hold that.
Okay.
And 5 and 6.
Yep.
Let's
the top
just
2.
verify it. That's,
yes, sir.
What color wires you got up there?
All right, for number 6, you got blue and black.
There it is.
Yep. And number 5, blue and white.
Look at that. The
Confirm,
2 top.
confirm.
So that's a good thing. So we're not going to poke and prod what we don't want to. Power's off. We got an ohm meter hooked up, and I'm going to go. Can I borrow your glasses? Oh, that's right. I got mine on. Holy mackerel. Let me get in here on 5 and 6. All right, I'm on those 2 terminals. What are you showing?
Nothing, John. OL, out of limits. That means we have an open circuit.
Wow. I wish they were all that easy. I mean, that may be the problem. There may be more, but we do know that the wire going into the actual motor that moves the throttles open. There's nothing going on. There should be a resistance value. It's a motor. There's windings in there. We don't have that at all. So, Dave, it's time to replace the throttle body, man.
You got it, and the solution's probably not as hard as you think.
No, it's not. And I'll tell you what, we got some cool demos over on the bench, so stay around. You don't want to miss this. You'll learn how this whole system works. We'll be back with more Tech Garage presented by RockAuto.com.